start na dayon sa problem number 1 because I have already introduced you with the uh about ano no about plane trusses. So now we'll discuss method of section. So una, let's start with answering this problem number 1. Compute the force in each member of the loaded cantilever truss by the method of joints. So ito yung truss natin, no. So first, you need to identify ano gani yung first process natin, everyone. What's the first process, class? To identify
Identify
the
the
force,
zero body.
zero force
Uh,
member. Okay, yes, correct. So, which member do you think is a zero force member? Etong point A, etong sa joint A, wala no? Kasi meron siyang reaction dito. Sa point E, wala din. Sa force, point F, wala din. Sa point C, wala din. Sa point D, wala din. Sa point B, wala. So, there is no zero force member in this truss. Okay? So, let's proceed to step number 2 to identify the reactions. So, una, we have this at point A. We can call this one AY. Okay, hold on. This one, AY. And this one, AX. So, ito, ruler yan, no? Tama ba? This is a ruler. So, therefore, we'll expect one, uh, one reaction. Okay? So, what we can do is to sum up the moment at point A. Okay, if we sum up the moment at point A, dito na lang. Ito na, dito na. If we sum up the moment at point A, okay, considering clockwise to be positive, equate that to 0, itong 8 kilonewtons saka yung AXAY will have no moment at all. Tama ba? So, yung may moment lang is yung 3 kilonewtons. Okay, that is 3 kilonewtons times yung perpendicular distance niya, ito yon, which is 1.5. Okay? Etong 4, meron din yan. That is also positive kasi clockwise yung moment yan. So, that is, yung perpendicular distance is 2. Tama ba? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yung
Yes, sir.
10,
Sir.
clockwise din yung 10, then that is 2 plus 2, which is equivalent sa 4. And lastly, we have here the Y, the EY. EY, that is counterclockwise, so that is 2 plus 2, no? Equivalent to 0. Okay, kindly get your calculator. Kindly give me the value of our EY, everyone.
13.13, sir.
Sige, hold on ha. Check ko lang. Double check natin, no? Para sure.
13.125.
Divide 4. So that is 13.125. Okay, that's good. That's good. 13.125. And that is kilonewton. So yan yung reaction natin at point E. Then, summation of forces along X, equate that to 0. Then, positive yung pa-right. So, we have here AY, ay AX pala. AX. Then, only isa lang yung along X din, which is positive 3 kilonewton. That is equivalent to 0. Therefore, your AX pala is 3. Pero, yung direction niya should be, okay, should be
Leftward.
leftward. Yes, correct. Ito yung magiging reaction niya. Ito yung magiging direction niya. Sorry. And then, let's sum up the forces naman along y, equate that to 0. Positive yung magiging positive natin. So, that is ay, positive, minus 8, minus 4, minus 10, and positive 13.125. Equate that to 0. Okay, kindly give me the value of our ay, everyone.
Negative 8.875.
Negative
Point
8.875. Ito.
Yes, sir.
So, that is negative. So, therefore, yung tamang assumption pala should be downward. So, correct natin yan, no? Okay. Kung ayaw nyo i-correct, pwede naman basta you need to carry the sign. Okay, so this is negative. Correct? Ito magiging negative
Sir,
2.
correction, sir.
Yes?
Ano po, tawag dito?
Ata, sir.
Hindi po ba upward yung, ay, negative pala po si AY, no?
Yes,
Tama,
negative.
tama. Sige
Tama
po.
ba? Teka, check natin ha. So, yung positive magiging negative magiging positive na yan. Check ko lang ha. 13.125. That is magiging positive naman.
Sir,
Hindi,
if
dapat.
negative si AY kay negative ang iyang answer.
Ano?
Negative si AY kay negative ang answer niya. Negative 8.875.
Hindi man.
Apo, ano?
Transpose natin sa kabila, oh. So, positive yan dapat. Tama ba
Yes,
yung
sir.
assumption?
Positive siya, sir.
Oh, tama yung
Yeah,
assumption.
tama po.
Tama yung assumption natin, no? Okay, that is positive. Okay, that's correct. Yung assumption natin na papunta siya sa itaas or hindi say upward. Okay, that's correct. So, this is not our answers, ha? This is just these are just the reactions. Okay, correct yung assumption natin papunta dyan. Ito papunta dito. Okay, and then now proceed tayo. So, saan tayo magsta-start? Actually, mayroon ding isang process nito, no? You can just leave the reactions. You can start at point B. Di ba? Yung for methods of joint, you need to at least identify a point or a joint which has at most 2 unknowns. So, kung sa point B tayo, dalawang unknowns lang yan. Okay, ito lang. Ito at saka ito. Which is obviously, ang itong part na to is equivalent lang sa 8. Ang itong part na to is equivalent din sa 3. Tama ba? So, actually,
Excuse
that
sir,
would
na
say...
pangutana na sir.
Yes, question? Sige, please.
Karagod sa AX sir, dili na siya rightward iyang arrow kay ano man, transpose man mo ang 3 so negative niya divided by negative so positive siya.
Hindi. Yung assumption natin kanina, okay, papunta dito, no? So, kaya, positive ito. And then, plus 3. Ito yan din yun, di ba? Transpose natin sa kabila, nagiging negative 3 siya. Which is wrong yung assumption natin. Kaya, kinorek natin dito sa arrow na side. Ito na yun.
Okay sir, nag-negative ko sa AX ganina.
Okay, sige lang. Okay. It's good, no? So, sige, di ko na lang i-correct yung assumption natin, but dito na lang sa final answer. Okay, ito, meron diyang arrow, no? So, ito yung mga totoong arrow niya, no? Or direction. Okay? So, again, ha, pwede ka din mag-start dito sa point B. Okay? So, kung sa point B tayo magsa-start, so, sa point B, okay, at joint B, again, at joint B, meron tayo dito. So, we have 8 kilonewtons here. 8 kilonewtons. We have also 3 kilonewtons. And then, yung unknowns natin, we have here this one. Again, yung magiging assumptions natin is tensions lahat. No? So, this one is force BC at saka force BA. Tama ba? Force BC at saka force BA. So, obviously, summation of forces along x equated to 0. Positive yung right side. So, 3 kilonewton plus FBC is equivalent to 0. So, FBC pala is negative 3, which is actually equivalent sa 3 kilonewton. Dapat yan is compression. Okay. Compression yan dapat. So, that is your one member. Okay. That is 3 kilonewton compression. So, dapat yung assumption dito, ang correct na ano nito is pag ganito. Okay. Now, for summation of forces along y naman, equate that to 0. Positive yung magiging assumption natin na positive. So, that is negative 8 minus FBA. No? Equate that to 0. Therefore, your FBA is equivalent to negative 8 kilonewton. So, ang correct pala na ano dito, that is 8 kilonewton and that is also compression. So, ito, dapat compression to. Okay? So, basically, ano na no? Nakuha na natin yung value ng BA at saka BC. So basically kung 8 kilonewtons to, ito 3 kilonewtons, so ito din yung 3 kilonewtons, 'di ba? Kung ito na naman yung ikakat natin yung point C. Okay, ito din 8 din ito. Okay? So sa point A naman tayo para makuha ito which is equivalent yan sa FAC, and then ito which is our FAF. Kuha ba? So sa point A tayo. Okay, at point A or at joint A pala. At joint A. So ito at joint B, no? Okay, sorry. Kasi kung magsa-start tayo at joint A, as you can see, meron tayong unknown ito, unknown din ito, unknown din ito. So, tatlong unknown. So, di ba, at most, dalawa lang dapat. So, hindi tayo pwede mag-start sa point A. Kaya nag-start tayo sa point B. Now, meron na tayong value ng AX, AY, tsaka yung ito, 8 kilonewtons to. So, we can now solve for the values of FC and FAC and FAF. Okay? Sige, kunin natin yung value na yan. Okay, so let me draw lang, no? This is 8 kilonewtons. And then, ito, correct na natin yun, ha? That is 3 kilonewton, papunta dito. Tama ba? Yung itong EX, no? AY, ito yun, which is equivalent sa 8.875. And then, ito, that is equivalent to FAC. Tama ba? FAC, FA to C, yes, correct. And then we have here this one, which is FAF. Kindly confirm if naka-follow pa kayo, class.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now, we need to determine the angle. Okay, itong angle na to. We need to determine that angle. So, obviously, this is equivalent sa 1.5. Ito naman, 2. Okay, we can use the tangent, no? So, for angle here, that is equivalent to arctan, okay, of 1.5 all over 2. Kindly give me the value of our angle theta.
870, sir.
Hold on, ha. Double check ko lang din. That is equivalent sa... Oh, sorry, naka-region pala ako. Good. Degrees. That is equivalent to 36.87. So, that is 36.87 degree. So, yan yung angle natin between dito. So, therefore, we can now solve for the value of... Let's start with summation of forces along the Y. Bakit? Mag-start tayo dito para makuha natin yung FAC. Kasi kung magsa-start tayo sa along X, so dalawa yung unknown, FAC at saka FAF. Ito yun. FAF. Okay? So, ito, positive yung magiging assumption natin ulit. So, that is 8.875. Okay, sorry. 875 minus 8 kilonewton, tsaka positive FAC, and then that is sine of theta, which is 36.87. Equate that to 0. Kindly give me the value of FAC, everyone. Okay.
Negative 0.458.
Okay. Hold on. Double check ko lang din ulit. Sine 36.87. Equate that to 0. Shift solve. We have here. Ito? O mali? Sure.
Yes, sir. Negative 1.
Same, sir. Negative 1.40.
Negative 1.46 talaga. Negative 1.46 kilonewton. So, the correct ano pala nito is 1.46 kilonewton, and that is compression. So, need nyo talaga yun i-identify, ha, what axial force na occur dyan sa mismong joint na yan. Okay, so that is FAC. Okay, compression. So you can just stick with this with this free body diagram, but later sa FAC you need to carry the sign. Kasi compression dapat yung magiging arrow nito ganito. Okay, pero we can just use this original na FB body diagram natin or FBD, but again we need to carry the sign. Okay. So what I'm trying to say is this, diba? Ito, summation of forces along X, that is 0. So ito yung negative 3. Then ito, FAC, di ba? Supposedly, ang arrow niyan papunta dito sa right, no? So FAC positive, then cosine of 36.87 plus FAF. So pwede niyo yan i-follow. But again, etong FAC dapat negative yung ilagay nyo dyan. Okay? Okay, 36.87 plus FAF. Equate that to 0. Therefore, your FAF should be equivalent to, okay, kindly calculate daw boy. Dito na lang ako sa manual.
4.168.
Okay, hold on ha. Manual na lang ako mag shift solve. So, that is equivalent to
4.168.
4.168. Correct. 4.168. Okay, that is kilonewton. Since that is positive, therefore that is tension. Okay? So, yun, no? So, therefore, we now have our... So, this one is pag ganito pala. And that is equivalent sa 1.46. So, lagay natin yan. 1.46. Ito din. 1.46 yan. So, dito na lang sa gitna, no? Para, mean to say, yan yun. So, 1.46. Ito, 8 yan. Ito naman, 4 point. So, pag ganito, no? 4.168. Okay? Then, we can solve now for point C. Punta tayo sa point C since known na ito at saka ito. No? This is 3. So, known na yan. So, known na yan, no? So, meron tayong dalawang unknown dito, at ito, tsaka ito, no? And then, later, pag makuha na natin to, okay, makukuha din natin to, and then, kukuha na natin ito, ayan na lang yung last part. So, at point C tayo, or at joint C. Now, at joint C, so, ano yung, ano natin? So, may 3 tayo, may 1.46, mayroon tayong 1.5, no, hindi pala ito 1.5. Ano yan, length. So, meron tayong arrow dito. Okay, meron tayong 4 kilonewton. Sige. We have here 3. They have here 4. We have here, ano gani yung paano niya? Arrow niya. Papunta doon. We have here 1.46, no? 1.46. And then, our unknown, ito, which is FCF. FCF yan. So, FCF, tsaka ito, FCE. Tama ba? Or, CD pala. Hold on, CD pala yan. Okay, CD. Okay, CD. So, again, since your theta here is equivalent to 36.87, that is equivalent, ito yon theta. So, di ba, opposite angle is congruent. Dito yun, no? Okay. Balik tayo dito. So, if this is theta, so this one is also theta. Okay? So, this one is 36.87 degree. So, para di lang tayo no? So, 36.87 degree. Okay. So, we need to solve for the value of FCF and FCD. Okay? Sige. So, we can start with either, no? We can just start with FCD or summation of forces along X or summation of forces along Y. Okay, so we can start with summation of forces along X, equate that to 0. So, positive yung magiging right side will be positive. So, that is 3 kilonewtons, ito. Then, plus, then 1.46, that is cosine of 36.87, tama ba? Plus, FCD, equate that to 0. Obviously, FCD is negative. Sige, anong value nito guys?
Negative 4.168.
Negative 4.168.
168.
Negative 4.168 kilonewton, or that is FCD is 4.168 kilonewton, and that is compression. Okay, how about summation of forces along Y? Positive yung magiging direction, magiging assumption natin for upward. So, that is 4 negative. then minus FCF, then minus positive 1.46, and that is sine of 36.87 degree. Equate that to 0, therefore we have here negative 4.146 sine 36.87. That is equivalent to
Negative 3.124.
3.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, mali pala.
Negative 3, sir.
Negative 3.124
124.
124, sir.
kilonewton. So that is FCF pala is 3.124 kilonewton, and that is compression. Okay, that is the values of FCF and FCD. So therefore, FCF that is negative parehas. So meaning to say compression sila parehas, no? So pag ganito yung magiging arrow niyan. So we have here, ito din yun, di ba? Ito din yun. So this one, anong ganit yung FCD? FCD is 4.168. Okay, ito 4.168. Then ito is 3.124. So punta tayo dito sa joint F. So assumption natin pag ganyan, ito pag ganito din. So punta tayo, siguro copy ko na lang, no, kaya para di tayo magbalik-balik. So hold on na. Sorry. Change. Sorry. Tayo natin lagay dito. Hold on na kaysa. Lagay natin dito. Uy. Sige, mas maganda ganyan, no? So, free body diagram. Okay, so we have here, ano yun? Ano to? FFD, tsaka FFE. Okay, FFD. So, ito yung kailangan natin. FFD at tsaka FFE. Okay. So, we can have at joint F, no? At joint F, we have here 3.124. Then this one is 4.168. Then we have our unknown FFD. And then we have here FFE. Now, same ba sila ng dimensions? We have 2 tsaka 1.5, no? So this one is also equivalent sa theta. Tama ba? Which is 36.87. So ito, this is equivalent lang din sa 36.87 degree. So unahin natin yung sa y. So summation of forces along y, equate that to 0. Positive yung magiging assumption natin for upwards. So that is negative 3.124. Okay, plus FFD. And that is sine of 36.87, equate na to 0. Pakikuha ng value ng FFD natin, guys. Hello?
5.207.
Okay,
5.207,
5.21.
sir.
Pwede na din 5.21, no? Kilonewton. So that is positive, therefore tension yan. How about yung, okay, let's continue, no? Summation of forces along x, equate that to 0. Positive yung pa-right. So we have your negative 4.168 plus, okay, yung FFD, which is 5.21, that is cosine of 36.87, plus FFE, equate that to 0. Therefore, your FFE will be equivalent sa 4.168 minus 5.21 cosine of 36.87. And that is equivalent sa, ano, nakuha nyo, guys? Almost 0, no? Tama ba?
5.50, 584 times
Times
10
10
raised
raised
to
to the power
negative
of 6.
Raised to
Tama ba?
negative 6.
Okay.
6.
That
Sir.
raised to the negative 6, that is almost 0. Tama ba?
Yes, sir.
Diba? 5.58 yung sagot times 10 raised to the power of negative 6. Kung atin tong i-shift, what you call this one? Ito. Shift dito. Sorry, shift ito. That is almost 0. So, yung magiging ano natin dito is 0 yan. So, yung FFE pala is a zero force member. No? Diyan natin ito na-prove. Okay. But, using nung rules, no? Hindi natin yan malaman. Pero, that is, yung FFE is 0 pala. Okay? So, therefore, ito din. So, wala tong, parang ano lang yan. Zero force member. Yan yun. So, wala siyang value. Etong FFD, so that is 5.21. Ito, 5.21. Ito din yun, no? Then, again, we have here 3, 4 pala. 4 pala to dito, no? 4, ito, meron tayong 8. Meron tayo ditong 3. Okay? And then, ito, meron din tayong value dito, tama ba? Which is equivalent sa 10. Okay, 10 to. Okay? So, what remain is this one. At saka, yes, at saka, kung makuha natin yung value na yan, so that is equivalent man dito. Okay? So, ito. So, we can just, we can just evaluate the joint E. So, isa lang man yan, no? Tama ba? So, sa joint E, kasi wala naman ito. So, sa joint E, so, ano yung value ng EY? Yun yung value ng force nito. So, obviously, that is compression, no? So, therefore, yung value pala ng FDE or EFED, that is 13.125. And that is compression. So, eto dito guys. Okay, magiging equivalent siya sa 13.125 and that is compression. So, to make it as official, so at joint E, no? Okay, ito 'yon. That is 13.125 and then ito yung ano natin which is FED. Okay. And, isa lang yan dyan kasi wala tong value dito, no? So, we have here summation of forces along y equal to 0. So, FED plus 13.125. So, FED is equivalent to negative 13.125 or FED is equivalent to 13.125 kilonewton and that is compression. That is your answer. Okay? So, ito na yung magiging overall natin na loads ng each member ng ating trusses. Okay, this one is equivalent. Ano yung mga values nito pala guys? Yung AX at saka AY. That is 3 kilonewtons at saka 8.875. Okay, 3 kilonewtons. So, pabaliktad na to, no? So, 3 kilonewtons tsaka 8.875. Yun yung magiging sagot natin. Any questions? Clarifications? So, madali lang tong methods of joints. Mahirap lang dito is marami tayong need determine na mga forces. But, repeating lang yung magiging process. Questions, everyone? Nakuha ba to? So, ito yung magiging overall free body diagram natin. Hello? May tanong?
None, sir.
Wala, sir. Wala.
None,
So
sir.
far,
None so far.
None, sir.
Okay, sige. Very good. So, let's continue. Problem number 2 tayo. Okay. Determine the force in each member of the loaded truss below. So, una, same pa rin. Kukunin natin yung mga reaction. So, ito, nakapin yan. So, dalawang reaction yan. AY, tsaka AX. Okay, sorry. Lagay natin dito. So, this one is AX. And then, sa roller na part, okay, since roller yan, so expected, isa lang din yung magiging reaction yan. Okay, we can start with taking the moment, no, at point A, para ma-equate natin sa 0 yung mga moment dyan, no. So, positive yung magiging clockwise. So, obviously, clockwise lahat ito except for EY. 30 times 5 plus 60 times 10. 5 plus 5. Tama ba? Plus 30 times 5 plus 5 plus 5. That's 15. Minus EY times 20 na yan. Equate that to 0. Okay? Kindly give me the value of EY, guys. Hello?
60, sir.
60, sir.
60. Okay. So, that is 60. Okay, 60 kilonewtons yung EY natin. Okay, that is your EY. Then, summation of forces along X equate that to 0. Obviously, yung AX natin is 0. So, wala yun, no? So, we can just cancel this one or eliminate. Okay? Kasi wala tayong other forces along X. So, next is summation of forces along Y equate that to 0. So, ilagay na natin, no? Okay, meron man tayong calculation pala dito. So, again, this one is just 0. Okay, so AY, positive, no? Okay, AY minus 30 minus 60 minus 30 plus 60. Equate that to 0. So, AY is equivalent sa, obviously, that is
60, sir.
60 rin. Okay, 60 kilonewton. So, tama yung nagiging assumption natin na pataas lahat. Okay, so, kunin natin yung forces, no, dito naman. So, wala tayong, ano dito, zero force member, no? So, let's start with at joint A. Joint A. So, joint A, dalawang anon lang. Itong FAB at saka FAH. So, meron tayong, okay, 60 kilonewton. Tsaka ito, yung anon, anong ganit yun? FAB tsaka FAH. FAB tsaka, sorry, FAH. So, ano yung angle nito, guys? So, that is, ito angle na to. 4 over 5, no? So, arctan of 4 over 5. So, ano yung magiging value nito, guys? Sorry. So,
38.66,
arctan
sir.
4 over 5. Yeah.
38.66.
38.66. Correct. So, this is 30, ano ngayon? 38.
Yes, sir. 0.66.
38.66 degree. Ito yun, no? Okay, so therefore, let's start with summation of forces along y equate to 0. So, assumption natin lagi pataas, ha? So, that is FAB. Then, that is sine of 38.66 pala. Okay. Plus 60, equate that to 0. Ano yung magiging value ng FAB natin, everyone? Negative yan.
96.05.
0.5. Okay, that is obviously equivalent sa 96.05 and that is kilonewton compression. Okay? Compression yan dyan. Then, summation of forces along X equate that to 0, FAH. So, pwede lang natin yung i-follow, no? Yung arrow, positive FAB, basta we will always carry the sign, cosine of 38.66 degree. Equate that to 0. So, FAH plus, so negative 96.05 cosine of 38.66 equate that to 0. Kindly give me the value of FAH, everyone.
Negative 75, sir.
Hindi na yan, magiging positive na yan.
75.0
75 lang, sir.
75?
Yes, sir.
Okay, kilonewton, so that is tension. Magiging positive na yan, ha? Kasi, again, we can just follow the arrow, but we will need to carry the sign. So, positive na yan. So, mag-draw lang siguro ako dito, no? Draw tayo ng mga, hold on, ha? Para i-copy ko lang. Later, pwede natin to i-erase yung mga assumptions natin. Okay, sorry. Hold on, ha? Dali lang. May delay. By the way, how are you guys? Are you okay?
Okay, sir.
Fine
Okay.
somehow, sir.
Okay,
Fine
ras.
somehow. Yeah, why fine?
Yes, sir.
How about you, sir?
Uh, I'm so hot. So hot here.
Ah.
Aray
Grabe ni
mo.
si Abu-Abu.
Aray mo.
Ano yan? May tanong? Abo-abo? Tingnan
I
natin.
miss her daw po.
I miss her. Sana all.
So,
Okay.
nalipay pa ka aning online class, sir. Kami sa wa, may nalipay, sir.
Ano wa mo malipay?
Mali.
Ah, wala man tay choice. Okay, sige. Ito yun, no? So, yung FA AB natin, so that is 96 compression, so pabaliktad. So, pag ganito dapat. So, this is 96.05. Itong FAH, so that is correct, tension. No? So, this is 75. Okay. Next, dito tayo, no? So, that is equivalent, ano yung joint na yan? B. So, at joint B, equate that to Z, joint B pala. Joint B, ito yun. So, we have here FBH, no? FBH. And then, ito, ano yan? FBC. And then, we have here 96.05. Ano yung angle dito, guys? Ito. Di ba kung anong angle dito, yan yun yung angle dito. So, yung angle dito is actually 38.66 pa rin.
38.66.
Okay, that's correct. So, lagay na natin na dito. 96.05. This one is 38.66 pa rin. Okay? So, pwede natin kuha, mauna natin kuha is yung either lang. So, let's start with summation of forces along X. Okay? So, that is FBC. Okay, plus, ito 96.05. And that is cosine of 38.66. Equate that to 0. Kindly give me the value of FBC, everyone. Negative yan.
Yes, sir. Negative
Negative
7.
Negative
75.
75.
Negative
75?
75, sir.
Okay. So, therefore, FBC is equivalent to 75 kilonewton. And that is compression. Okay? And then, forces along Y equate that to 0. So, FBH, negative yan. Okay, plus 96.05 sine of 38.66 equate that to 0. Kindly give me the value of FBH.
60, sir.
60
60, sir.
kilonewton, and that is tension. So, yan yung values ng ano natin. So, FBH, so AB, ano gani yun? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So, yung FBH natin, tension. That is correct, no? So, this one is tension. So, 60. Tsaka, FBC, compression. So, pabaliktad. FBC. That is 75. Okay? Actually, pwede natin gawin lang is hanggang dito lang tayo magsosolve kasi whatever reactions we have here is actually same lang dito. Kasi ano yan, symmetrical, 'di ba? Kanina, even though naka-pin yun siya, nalaman natin that AX is equivalent sa 0. So, yung AY at EY is the same lang. Kaya, expect that each component here will also be the same lang dito na side. So, mas madali yan. So, ang ano na lang kukunin natin is ito na lang, tsaka ito, at tsaka itong nasa center. And then the rest, same lang yan. Okay? Para mas madali, no? So, gamitan nyo yan ng by inspection method. So, let's continue. Dito tayo sa at joint H. At joint H. So, meron tayo dito 60. Then we have here FHC, and then we have here FHG. Okay, hold on ha. Mas convenient talaga yung ano, no, yung face to face, kasi hindi naman lahat mayroong access sa internet, then hindi rin lahat mayroong ano, tawag nito, reliable device, kumbaga ganyan, no. So hindi lahat are on the same boat, kumbaga. But okay, we'll just try to survive na lang. Ano lang. So ano yung angle nito, guys? Same lang pa rin, no? 38.66, kasi same lang din yung dimension dito. Okay, 5 and 4 pa rin yan, no? So that is the same lang. So pwede natin kunin muna is yung summation of forces along y equated to 0, 60, tapos plus FHC, then that is sine of 38.66 equated to 0. So ano yung magiging value ng FHC natin, guys? Sige daw. Ano yung magiging value ng FHC natin?
Negative 96.05.
Negative 96.05. So obviously that is equivalent sa 96.05 kilonewton, and that is compression. So yan yung value ng FHC natin. And then yung summation of forces along x na naman equated to 0. So we have FHG. Again, we can just follow, no, the arrow, pero we'll always carry the sign. So that is cosine of 38.66 minus, ito meron pa 75, minus 75 equated to 0. So ano yung value ng, sorry, FHG natin plus, okay, negative 96.05 cosine of 38.66, okay, minus 75 equated to 0. Ano yung value ng FHG natin? Sige daw. That is obviously positive na.
150, sir.
150 ba? How about the
Yes.
others? Same lang ba?
Same, sir, 150.
Okay. Parang dalawa lang nagasagot ba? Sige lang.
Paspas kayo sila mag-calculate, sir, oy.
Yan yung gusto ko.
Pasahan kayo, sir.
150, sir. 150.
So this one, FHG, no? So compression yung FHC. Okay, so therefore compression yan. Ganito yan. So that is 96.05. Yung itong FHG, that is, ano yan? Tension. So correct yun. Assumption natin papunta dito. 150. Okay, na lang yung natira. So ito din, 150 din yan.
sir.
150 dito, no? Tension din yan. Okay, lagay natin na. Ito din, same lang din yan, which is 96.05 compression. Ito, same din yan, 60. Ito din, same din yan, 75 compression. Okay, then ito, compression din, which is 96.05. Maklaro pa ba ninyo yung penmanship ko?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
At
Yes,
saka
sir.
ito, that is 75 pa rin. Okay. So, yung natira na lang is ito na part. So, we can just actually, no, we can just tawag nito. Obviously, guys, sa nakikita nyo, no, meron ba tayong, meron pa tayong 30 pala dito, no? Nalagay ba natin yung 30? Hala, hindi natin nalagay. Mali pala to, guys. Meron pala tayong 30 dito. Hindi ko na
Patay.
Patay. Balik tayo dito, no?
Tugod, sir. Balik tugod, sir.
Balik tayo. Ito 60. Ito din 30. So, ito lang man ang part na mali, no? So, madali lang to. So, balik natin, ha. Hold on. Dali lang to, class. Okay. So, ayan, 30, summation of y. So, meron tayo ditong negative 30. Sige daw, pakiulit. Ano yung value ng FHC natin? Hello.
Ano na po, negative
Negative
48.2.
48.2.
Negative
kanina.
48, sir.
Negative 48. Okay, that's correct. Negative
02.
48.02. Yan lang magiging ano natin. Correction lang. Kana lang man. Compression pa rin yan. So, this one, same lang pa rin ito. Tama ba? Yan lang yung magiging correction yan. Hold on. Mali pa. Hindi pala yan. Dito pala. So, along X naman, wala na naman na bago. So, same pa rin 150. So, ito, 150 pa rin. Ito lang yung nagbago. So, this is 48.02. So, this one is 48.02 pa rin. Then, this one is 150. Yan lang yung nagbago. So, yung matitira na lang is yung ito. So, obviously, guys, that is equivalent sa 60. Ito yun, equivalent sa 60. Bakit? Okay, by inspection yung 75-75, equal man yan. Okay, itong 48-48, equal din yan. Kung wala itong 60, kung wala itong 60 dito, itong member na to will have no force. Okay, will have a zero force member. Pero, meron man 60, so therefore, yan yung 60. Kasi equal ito, 150-150. Symmetrical man yan. Okay? So, buo na yung magiging analysis natin sa trusses. So, I hope nakuha nyo, no? So, yun. Yung value dito, yun yung value din dito. 60. Okay? Questions? So, basically, no? Yung tawag nito, FCG or GC, CG, that is equivalent sa 60 lang. Okay? Kasi, kung dito tayo mag-evaluate na joint, so 150, 150, and then ito 60. So summation of forces along X, 150 minus 150, 0 yan. Yung summation of forces along Y, 60 minus 60, 0 din yan. So dapat 60 din ito. And that is tension. Okay? So that is our value of FCJ. And the rest, etong dito na part, same lang dito na part. Okay? Ito na part dito, same lang dito na part.